Hi, this is Jessica Fox with Keller Williams to give you the greater Tampa real estate market and some interesting things that are happening. So if we look at the Hillsborough, Pinellas, and Pasco market for residential over the last 3 years, the actual supply has hit an all-time low, and we're actually in a listing crisis. So since 2017, we have gone and dropped by nearly 20% for actual homes for sale. And at the height, we hit 41,000 in one quarter. That was Q1 of 2019. So today, we've gone from 41,000 listings to 30,000 listings. So we actually are in kind of a crisis with demand supply. We have more demand than supply. And what really is interesting, if we look at solds during that same period of time, solds have gone up 21.6%, which has created more of a crunch than we've ever had on inventory. If we look at solds on their own, at its high, which is right now, is 19,000 homes sold in one quarter. And the low during this period of time was 3 years ago, 15,714. So we have never sold more homes. And at the same time, we've never had more of an inventory problem, which means prices are going up. So if you go and look at price during that same period of time, it's gone up 26.2%. And that's for Pinellas, Pasco, and Hillsborough County. If you separate those markets, Pasco has the highest uptick, second to Pinellas, third to Hillsborough. If you want more information about your market particularly, which is your neighborhood, please reach out to us at 727-772-0772, and we can create a specific market snapshot just for you.